Hey, Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and today, well actually it was a little while ago, I got to handle a snake. Stay tuned. Yeah. You got me?
You recorded?
Already on.
Okay. Oh.
Oh. He's spewing his musk. Oh, yeah, they're up here.
Michael's playing with the snake. Oh, he got you.
He got you? Yeah. Come on, don't be biting. You already bit him.
You already got Michael?
Yeah. I knew he'd have fun, so. Oh yeah, his left hand. Put a piece of plastic over his, like a stick, and put it over his head, and just grabbed him and brought him out. But yeah, he's pretty good size. He came up to about right here on me.
Look at you Pentecostal.
Snake handling.
Yeah. I don't want to get close to that thing.
Yeah.
I guess we'll put him in the back.
Right? Put him over here.
Put him away from me. I don't want anything to do with that guy.
Cameron's like, I got a snake, you have to get it.
Watch Michael Church in his natural habitat. The ninjas claimed the prize. There he goes.
All right, so I don't know if you noticed that snake biting me. It was quite painful if my scream didn't give that away. So we appreciate you guys watching, and let us know if you've ever handled a snake in the comments below and how it turned out. We'll see you later. Make it a blessed day.